This is why you should never scalp as a trader. Look at these two trades. They both hit take profit with a risk reward ratio of 1:3 each. You'll expect that if you put $100 into this trade, you will make $300. But that is not what happened. One of them will actually lead you to a loss. Look at the chart again. You will observe that one is a scalp trade on the 1 minute time frame and the other is a day trade on the 30 minutes time frame. For the day trade, these are the actual values. So it is a buy BTC trade. This is the entry, the stop loss, the take profit, and like I said, it is a 1:3 risk reward ratio. If I risk $100 on this trade, my position size is 9,460. And here I use the FS crypto calculator to calculate this. This is how the exchange charges you. If I took this trade on Bybit, that means I will pay $5.2 to open this trade and $5.2 to close this trade, a total fee of $10.4. If I win, I don't keep $300, I keep $289.43. If I lose, I don't lose $100, I lose $110.4, making my true risk reward ratio 1:2.62. This is not a bad trade. This is actually a trade I can grow my account with. But I cannot say the same thing for the scalp trade. This is the actual signal for the scalp trade. In this case, we are going short. This is the entry, the stop loss. Again, the risk reward ratio is 1:3. Now, because the stop loss is very tight, the position size jumps to $102,000, even though it is the same risk reward ratio as the day trade. My total fee to open and close this trade is $113. So the fee is higher than the actual risk amount, which means that if I win this trade, I'm not taking home $300, but $186. And a loss is not $100, but $213, making the true risk reward ratio 1:0.88. If you trade like this, you are literally risking more than you stand to make, and your account will go to zero, because over 10 trades, you will need at least 60% win rate to even come close to profit, while the day trader is being profitable from the 30% win rate. It even gets worse if your risk reward ratio is 1:2, which is what most traders aim for. In this case, you will still be at loss at 70% win rate. And these charges applies to whatever you're trading, be it Forex, crypto, indices, whatever you're trading. So, won't you rather be a day trader than a scalper? And in Copy Me Crypto, we have this inbuilt. The pro trader whose trade you can copy cannot take scalp trade. The system automatically detects a scalp trade based on entry, stop loss, and risk, and simply won't allow it to be copied. You can go to copymecrypto.com and join the waitlist for free access at launch.